Good morning, everyone. It's Ashley Rousey with Florida Man Residential, and it's time to clean our garbage disposals. Okay, so you are gonna trickle that off to the side, make that a pencil size. Then while the garbage disposal is off, you're gonna insert it. So now let that work until you see the foam dissipate. Then you're just kind of rinsing and cleaning it up. And don't forget to clean this silicone item. Perfect. So thank you all for spending Sunday with me, and happy cleaning.